Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna learn how to install Dlib with Cuda support because Dlib is already an important library for the face detection or object detection purposes. Also, if we install it with the Cuda support, it's gonna be accelerate the functions, accelerate the processes with the help of GPU. So in this video we are gonna learn that installation, and all we need to do is first of all just copy the link of the Dlib GitHub and go to the terminal and just clone that repository into your desired folder. And once it is done, now the next I want to also check or to be sure it's the latest version. So just enter to the Dlib folder, which is downloaded, cloned into my home folder. And here all I need to do is just checking the tags. So the latest tag is v20.0. So we need to check out to the v20.0 just to be sure. And the next, there are some, of course, first of all we need to create a build folder for our build, for our installation, and enter inside it. Okay, the next, there are 3 steps for installation. The first one is about the flex. We need to talk about Dlib use Cuda is for the Cuda enabling, and this one is for the some CPU algorithm optimizations, and these two is also for this LA means linear algebra algorithm, I think, or linear algebra it should be, and these are for some optimizations. Also it's recommended to use this flex as on, and this PNG and the JPEG support for the enabling the usage for JPEG and or the PNG usages. And this is also another CUDA flag for runtime things, and all is that. And now we are copying the cmake command into the build folder, and yeah, so here it's already found my CUDA. By the way, if you do not have CUDA, you need to install it, so you can also check my CUDA installation video for that purpose. And once this is done, we need to configure our build with this command, and this may take time. Once it is done, I will back again. Okay, so it's done. You see here the next step is we need to cmake install for the latest step, and this is also done. So we already installed our Dlib now. Now also maybe for the last step we can make ld config, and that's all. I'm gonna put these commands into the description so you can take from there. And the installation is done. Also I prepared a code for just trying, which is in here. Simply I just added Dlib library into here, and also we see in here this with this definition, if this exists then it's gonna show Cuda is enabled in here. So let's run first of all. If it's successfully, yeah, you see our Cuda is installed with Cuda support. Our Dlib is installed with Cuda support. Sorry. So here is my profile, but don't be worried. I'm gonna also give you the terminal command. If you don't use Qt and you're watching this video, you can use this command also. First of all, I'm adding OpenCV libraries again because this is important, otherwise it's gonna complain because some Dlib inside needs OpenCV somehow. So just be careful. It's better to always adding OpenCV at the very top, because in the profile the order is important. So it's here also, I already wrote. And now we are adding Dlib, and also I'm adding some Cuda libraries into here. This is also important, and also some other things which Dlib needs. And also for Dlib headers at the end, I'm also adding include path for the libraries. Okay, and that's all, and it's running well. Now I also want to show you just by copying this. Let's just comment out again. So here also but before that, maybe we can see the also GPUs, which is like in here. Just add a Dlib and the Cuda and the get device number of devices, which is meaning the GPUs. Let's run this and see how many GPUs I have. so it's 1. So I have 1 GPU and it's showing me that, so it's supporting. And next we can, we already copied that, just go to the folder which is in here. This is my code. If you only have this one, and you can still run it in here by just calling this command, which is just with G++ running, but here of course I need to change this from the previous one, so I need to change it maybe to the with this okay, this is, I think maybe it's gonna work still, sorry. And let's see, this exists here because it's trying to add, oh, let's try. Okay, it's still here anyway. This is another thing I was dealing before, so it's just staying here. Anyway, just calling that. So it's also writing the output into here. And that's all, and we are done in this video since it's already installed fine and it's working fine. And I am done for this video about showing Dlib installation with Cuda support. And thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.